Wow. Test.
It's just a misunderstanding.
No. I don't know what's wrong with me, Mr. White. I don't know how I could be so stupid.
Just stop that now. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that's a little loud.
I'm so
Make myself
sorry.
5.1. And then I'll do this.
I loved her more than anything.
Let me guess. You're depressed, and it's all society's fault. You hate school, but you still come here because it's not like there's anything better to do. You wish your life could change, but you do nothing to make that actually happen.
Well, there could be -4
Okay.
and -2. We
Can I
want
leave
x
now?
-2. So let's see here. We can export, or no, sorry. We could take out -4. And then this. Okay, 9. Ugh. I'll put it actually around 7. Up, alrighty, that's good. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but this is enough for me. Taking that out, this makes the new equation -4 times all that. Then over x take away 2. That looks really shitty. X take away 2. X take away 1. And now we need to expand this out again. This equals to x. That x. What makes -2? That is 2 and then 1. -1. And you have... oh, you also have to add to make negative +1. So that's it, actually. +2, -1. And then that equals to -4. Copy and paste this here. Yep. Now it wants us at the limit of 2. So we have to plug in 2. Which will be 2 plus 2, -2. -4. 2 plus 2, that equals to 4. It wants us at the limit of 2. 2 take away 1. 2 plus 2, -2. Or am I still fucking around with it? Two take away one is 1 over. Oops, over. Can I not do that? 2 take away 2 is 0 times by x take away 1. Oh wait, you know what I should have done? I could easily just cancel this out right here. Cancel these out. X over 1, x over 1. Copy and paste. Move this to the side. Oh wait, you know what I should have done? I could easily just cancel this out right here. That's that. And then right now we have L'Hopital's rule. We need to take the derivative because it'll just be 0 over that is not allowed. Negative 4x plus 2 over x take away 2. Yeah, we need to take L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule is we have to take the derivative of the top and the bottom. So derivative of this, d over dx. Negative 4 over 1, which is just negative 4. And that is a very, very annoying guess because I don't exactly know. You know? And I think that's okay if I don't know. That is a very, very annoying guess because I don't exactly know. You know? And I think that's okay if I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop fucking around with it. Negative 4. And it's wrong. God damn. That sucks cock. Times by this. That equals to that. Negative 4. Was I not supposed to do this? I don't think I was. Because negative 2 plus 2. Should have been negative 2 plus 1? Negative 2 plus 1. No, it's supposed to be plus x. So then after I cancel top and bottom, even though I plug in. Yeah, I think I screwed something up, but I don't know what. What did I do wrong? I combined it, multiplied these two. X take away 4x plus. Whoops, this is supposed to be a plus right here. That's my problem. Plus 4x plus 4x. You see, it's because it's negative 4x times by negative 1. So that does not make sense at all. And because of that, I gotta redo everything. Negative 4x. This one is supposed to be shoot. Negative 2. This is supposed to be a negative. I guess this one's supposed to be negative and this one's supposed to be positive. Negative. positive. This will cancel out instead the x minus 2. This is all wrong. Okay. Negative 4 x take away 2. X plus 1. X take away 2. X, whoops. X plus 1. Oh, whoops. Minus 1. Bum, 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 bum. This will eliminate x, take away 2 on top and on the bottom, which leaves negative 4 x plus 1 over x take away 1. If we plug in 2 right now, this would be 2 take away 1, which is 1. Negative 4 times this. Negative 4, 2 plus 1, which is 3. Negative 3. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. However, I'm going to do one more check on my thing here because I'm stupid. 2, take away 1. Oh, 2 plus 1. Yeah, negative 12. Negative 12. Over 1. That's a really shitty 2. 2. Over 1. Negative 12. Is that gonna be right? Let's see. We could also check here if we do negative 4x, take away 4. Negative 4 times by 2. Oh, wait. Negative 4 times by 2. Take away 4. Yeah, it's still negative 12. That's my final answer. And look at that, I got it right. Nice. Is it good now? Are you done? Can I... Oh, it's lagging. Didn't expect that yet. Let's put this in. Yeah, this one. Limit as this goes to infinity, blah blah blah. Oh shoot. I would not know. Intermediate form 0 over 0, infinity over 0, and 1 over infinity. On their own, these expressions are meaningless because we cannot actually evaluate these expressions as we would evaluate an expression involving real numbers. Rather, these expressions represent forms that arise when finding limits. Now we examine how L'Hopital's rule can be used to evaluate limits involving these intermediate forms. Since L'Hopital's rule applies to quotients, we can use the natural logarithmic function and its properties to reduce. I knew it, we should use log. Darn. I should have thought of that. To a related problem involving a limit of a quotient. For example, suppose we want to evaluate limit x goes to a, f of x to the power of g of x, and we arrive at the intermediate form of infinity over 0. The intermediate forms 0 over 0 and 1 to the power of infinity can be handled similarly. We process as follows: let blah 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 blah, then blah 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 blah. It comes down, it gets multiplied by the log. Therefore, this, since infinity, we can know that therefore we could use the techniques discussed earlier to rewrite the expression suppose L will L maybe infinity, then L. Since the natural logarithm is continuous, we can conclude that is L? Whoa, which gives us f of x e to the L. I don't understand that last step. Evaluate limit x goes to infinity, x to the power of 1 divided by x, yada yada yada. You bring that down, 1 over x times the natural log of x, and then you divide it. Oh, you're technically dividing it by x. To 0. Oh, whoops, they did the thing. Therefore, since the natural log exists, we conclude that x equals 0, which leads to e equals 0. Oh, we had to plug it into e afterwards. That's what it's talking about. Okay, I sort of understand this. Let's look at this one more time. Put it down. Natural log 3. That was blah blah blah. And then L'Hopital's rule 1 3 over x. That's the log. Oh yeah, because it's gonna be 2 over 2x times by 3, which just makes it 3 over x divided by 1 because that's the derivative of x. When I use the properties of limits, blah blah blah, plug in infinity, 1 over infinity. Any number over infinity just makes it 0 because you just keep on going 0, closer to 0, but you never actually get there. This is natural and continuous. You then plug in e to 0 at the end. Okay. We do the same thing here, except it's much more longer. 5x goes down, natural log of the whole thing. Natural log 1 over 5x, because this is a bigger number instead of the fractions that we've seen. And then 1 over 9. Well, I don't actually understand that part, but I do get this part. I get it. You plug into e at the end as well. Okay. This ends up becoming ln of 1 plus, it's a disgusting plus. You know what I've realized? My mouse is very, very fast, and that's not what I like. 3 over pi. Mouse. Could you not be like that? Active. Late. Thank you. Yeah, that's good for me. Close this. Close it actually. Close it. Thank you. Dude, this is just a homework stream. I have no idea what you're excited about. 7x goes over 1 divided by ln 1. Oh, whoops. I'm dumb. One over 7x times by ln 1 plus 3 over pi. After that, we need to take the derivative of both. So, with red, d over dx. This is actually 7 over 1 times x to negative 1. And then this turns into 1 over 7, and then closer to the left. X, oh whoops, negative 1 times by x, negative 2. That's not really bad too. which is negative 1 over 7x take away 2. That is this whole thing right here, on the very bottom. Then we have to do this one. The derivative of natural logs is 1 plus 3 divided by pi. And then, what is this though? What the fuck? Oh, that's x. Wow, I'm dumb. What the hell? Oops, just take all of this out. Oh, that too. Where the hell did I get pi? X, X, X. Uh, 3 over x is just 3 times 1 over x. Oops. 1 over the x is just x negative 1, negative 1 x take away 2, which makes this one negative 3 x negative 2. 1 disappears because it's just a constant, and this should be our final top equation. Right? 1 over x, x negative 1, negative 1 x to the power of negative 2. That's fine. Multiplied by 3. Yes. Yep, that should be it. Let me just copy and paste this. This too is disgusting. Oh my god, I'm making it worse. There we go. Alright, there. All this over this. This is their entire equation after it's being derived, and now we have to fucking blah 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 blah. Make it multiply again. In order to do this, we have to flip the 7 and the negative 1, so it becomes 7 over 1 negative x to negative 2? Right? That's what they did. Right over here. And they multiplied by x. Yeah, that's what they did. That's why x. Yep, okay. I got that. Let's make that a little bit more nicer looking. This becomes 7x negative 2, right? Yeah, 2. What the fuck? Derivative of this becomes negative 2 from 5x negative 2. Oh, yeah, it's actually just 2. The reason why I put a negative here, that was a mistake, because it's already below everything, so it should just be 2 right here. So then, this whole top equation actually gets multiplied by this, which is rather nice to think about. Like this. Multiplied by this. Alright, let's see what we can cancel. It's gonna be 5 took the top. Wait a minute, we already have this right here. Negative 7 times. Why is this negative 2 though? That's strange. because if it's going to be x negative 2 times by x2, this just cancels out each other. So then it'd be negative 7 times 3, which is just 21, over 1 plus 3x, and x is supposed to be infinity. So that's 0 plus 1 over 21, which is just 21 over 1, which is just 21 over 1. Yeah, well, okay. Yeah, because as x 3 divided by 1 million. Yeah, it's closer to 0. 1 plus 0, 21. That's what I want. That is my final guess. I'm locking it in. And I'm gonna cry. That's good. The fuck did I do? 1 over 3x. 1 over 3x. Why is it being multiplied by this right here? I thought it was negative 3 over 1. Okay. Fuck you. This fucking Sith width is way too fucking loud, dude. You're so gay. I'm gonna rewrite this. This is ass. Since that does not make sense. One plus 3 over pi. X dipshit. That should be the bottom. That is the natural log of that. Multiplied by the derivative inside because of chain rule. So, what the fuck is G? 1 plus 3 over X. 1 should be fucking deleted. Then 3 over X is 3 times 1 over X. Oh, whoops. No. Yeah, actually, yeah. And then the derivative of 1 over X. 1 over X is just X negative 1. Negative 1, X negative 2. This should be G. Oh, wait, no. This should be times by 3. So then, yeah, times by negative 3, X, negative 2. That's great. I got to where the fuck I was. Let's redo this again. Oh, right, because this becomes below, actually. Whoops. So then this becomes 1 over negative 3, X2. Like right over here where they did that, and then times by 1 plus 3 over X. This should actually be the right equation. Right now the derivative of 1 over X is oh, whoops, let me also just redo this one. 3x squared, take away that. Multiplied by this. The derivative of 1 over 7 is just that, times by negative 1, which then turns into negative 7. Yeah, negative 1 over 7, oops, times by x negative 2. I didn't need the fucking times. X negative 2. Do this. Move it down a little bit. Actually, I'll move it down right here. Huh. Okay. Since this is like that, this is all then divided by 1 over 7 x2 negative, which then goes upwards to become multiplied by 7x squared. Is it still negative, right? His was negative, and then he made it still negative. Erase this. Put this right here. This becomes negative. Multiplied by 1. This becomes negative 7x squared over 3 negative x. This 1 plus 3x. That's not good. These then cancel out from top and bottom. Which then leaves negative 7 over negative 3 times 1 plus 3x. This should be the most important part. I'm going to put this all... This is supposed to be smaller. Geez, this is a lot of space I'm taking up right here. Oops. No. Oops. Equals this. Okay. Negative 7, 3 over x. X is supposed to be infinity. I'll play Warzone around fucking 9. I'm gonna do this for another fucking 4 hours because I want to get a lot of my assignments done today. Hey. So plug in infinity. 3 divided by infinity plus 1, 3, negative 7. This should just be 1 times, wait, no, whoops. 0 plus 1, 1, negative 3 over 7. 7 over 3. Let's hope to gosh that accepts it. And that was not right either. What the fuck? Oh! Crap, I did it right, but I forgot to put an E. I literally fucking said it out loud to put in an E at the end. Ugh. What the fuck was all this then? Yeah, because this becomes negative 2, blah, 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 times like that. Derivative of this is just 3. Oh, I forgot to put the 3 on top. Just because it's getting multiplied doesn't mean it's going to be 1 over... Shit. Yeah, the 3 still stays on top, not on the fucking bottom. 200 gigabyte? What the fuck? I have to download it now? Limit x goes to 0. Oh my fucking god, I have to deal with this right now. This one right here? Yeah. Play game. Pause. Play game. Pause. Play game. Can you just fucking download it, you cunt? I shouldn't be swearing. Yes. Oh, it's already in my library. Why the fuck were you telling me to fucking give a shit? I already have it in my library. I don't have to do anything. Call of Duty, Call of Duty, Call of Duty. Oh, booty. Oh, it's launching it. Shit. Does it matter? Can I just leave it running in the background? Because I don't have to give a shit, right? Yeah, I don't have to give a shit. Alright, there you go. X goes to 0 plus... I don't understand why I am so fucking like... I think it's because it's at 3. I usually draw at 5. The limit as x goes to 0 plus E7x take away 9x multiplied by 1 6x. Okay. Doing the natural log, this becomes 1 over 6x lordy. Oh, okay, you know what? Fuck it. I think it's because who knows? Strangely, some things have been edited, which are weird. Like this, 13. Yeah, I like that. 1 over 6x times by the natural log of e 7x minus 9x. The natural log of this just becomes, well, actually these cancel out, so natural log and e, this becomes negative 7, or actually just 7x, natural log of minus natural log of 9x, multiplied this entire thing though by 1 over 6x. I can put this to the side. There we go. Yeah, this is already going to be divided by the whole thing, so this should be 7x. 7x minus ln 9x over 6x. We take the derivative, d over dx of both top and bottom from L'Hopital's rule. Dx this becomes 7 minus 1 over 9, actually whoops, 9 over 9x. 9, yeah, come on. And that just becomes, yeah, 7 minus 0. That's not what I need. Do this. 7 minus x over 6. Which then becomes 7 over 6. Because we're doing, plugging in the 0. Lim. Make a note. Seven x minus 0. I then had to put this in e, which I'm pretty sure is not even gonna give me a fucking number. E 7 over x 6. Oops, delete this. Yeah, okay. E 7 over 6. Let's do one more look over. Bring this down. Yeah, so blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. 7x blah blah blah. Minus blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Dude, why the fuck is that wrong? I do want to ask whether or not this becomes fucking flipped, but that doesn't make sense that it becomes flipped in the fucking examples. 1 over 6x still stays the same. This is right here where I did ln. This is just supposed to become 7x. Yeah, 7x down of negative ln x negative 9x over 9. Just the derivative of 6x. Fuck! Do I really want to give a shit? That doesn't make sense if I do it right there, because then it'd be 9 over 9, 0. Shoot. 7 minus 0 should be still 7 divided by 6, which is the derivative of 6x. 7 over 6, then you have to e it, no? Or do I not have to put an e? I do! I'm fucking natural logging it, so that doesn't make sense. Natural log of this because that natural log of 7. Am I freaking up the natural log? Let me look it up here on my calculator. I'm not gonna cheat. ln times by e of 3. It's just 3. Yeah, that should come down. 7x and then ln of 7997. This is a dumb idea, but what happens if I just don't? If I just put it as 7 over x, would it accept it? Crap. Seven divided by 6 is 1.16667. Putting the e over doesn't really change anything. What I do have a problem is... fuck it, I'll try it. I'm too annoyed to stick on this problem a little bit more longer because I don't know what the fuck I did wrong. 6 over 7. One last look before I fuck up. Yeah, 7x minus ln of 9x. 9x is just 9x over 9 as a derivative. Minus that should be that. Yeah, it's both wrong. What the fuck did I do wrong? 1 over 3? How the hell did I get that? This becomes this, becomes that. Divided by 6x, yeah, blah blah. Whoa. It kept it together instead of removing the e. So then it becomes e 7x blah blah. Did this. Had 6 be multiplied by the denominator over here. And then it just became this. Ooh, wow. That was my fault. I shouldn't have done... The problem was I did this right here. Right here. I did this wrong. This whole part. I should not have canceled out. That's the problem. And I just moved ln to the side. And then it becomes negative 1 over 3. And then you put e at the end. Thanks. You're amazing. This becomes 1 over 5x. Whoops, no, not really. Rule, we put tangent 10 of negative 7x plus pi over 2. And divide this with a whole number of 1 over 5x. So this is multiplied by 5x. And now we just take the derivative of this. Oh god, it looks like really shit. D over dx. Derivative of this entire thing, and then this same thing too. Let's start off with the easy one. The derivative of 1 over 5x is just 1 over 5 multiplied by x times by 1. Negative 1, which then becomes, after the derivative, 1 over, actually, negative 1 over 5 x take away 2, which then just becomes 1 over, negative 1 over 5x2. That's the derivative of that. Put that right here. Not the harder one. The derivative of tangent is secant squared x, and derivative of tan. Yeah, secant squared x. Thank you. This will become chain rule, so it's going to be secant. That's not the thing. Secant squared of negative 7 x plus pi divided by 2 times by the derivative of this whole thing right here. This would be negative 7 Yeah, it's just negative 7. Because pi over 2 is just a constant. So now we have, shoot, secant squared negative 7x plus pi over 2 multiplied by negative 7 divided by 1 over negative 5x squared. We then do this. We put it upwards by flipping it, the whole thing. This becomes secant squared 7x plus pi over 2 times by negative 7 times by negative 5x squared. Alrighty, plug this in our calculator. Let's see what we get. Secant. And I hate this. I do not have secant in here at all. Math. Nope. 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 Okay. That's great. How the fuck? What was secant again? Secant was fucking something. Let me see. What was secant in tangent in calculus? Okay, oh, 1 divided by cosine. Shit. Shit. Negative 7. Multiplied the x, which is 0. Right? I'm pretty sure the x was 0. Yep, it was 0. Plus pi over 2. Thank you. Square that. That's great. That doesn't really fucking help. Times by negative 7 times by negative 5 0 squared. So it's just 0. That's great. It's just, this whole thing just becomes 0 because it doesn't fucking matter. Okay, this has become 0. I forgot because that. And then we have to do e to the 0, which just becomes fucking 1, right? E 0. Yeah, 1. Let this be right. Thanks, you fucking. Do I have to put e to the 0? Is that the problem? Nope, it wasn't the problem. I was just dumb. What the fuck? This is tangent, right? Tangent, the derivative of tangent is supposed to be... Wow. Oh, wow. They split tangent up into sine and cosine. Are you fucking serious? What did you do with the 5x? You still kept it at the top. That is good. Why the fuck didn't I think of doing that? Why the fuck didn't I think of dividing it? That's my problem. I didn't split fucking tan into sine and cosine. I just kept it as is and just fucking played around with the 5x. I'm so glad I'm learning every fucking thing. No, don't do that. I'm gonna do this one more time. Whew, okay. Okay. The natural log of this, which is just negative 8x, bring down the 2 times that multiplied by e. Oh, no, whoops. Negative 3. Because the natural log gets split into 2 of them. Natural log of negative 3. I don't know, just fucking... Yeah, just negative 3x. Okay. It doesn't seem like it has any fucking bells and whistles, but, can't be too sure. I'm double checking it, because this is ass. Okay. I'll choose this to be my g of x, and this shall be by double the beta by f of x. And so 1 over 3 simply becomes 1 divided by negative 3x. That looks really small. Actually, you know what? I'll do it. 2 times ln negative 8x divided by 1 over negative 3x. What was the problem last time? They kept the ln together, but this is just a simple ln. And yeah, it is just a simple ln. Or a natural log. And so natural log of 8x is just 1. Oops. Taking the derivative of top. D over dx. And it just becomes blah 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 blah. 2 goes on top, multiplied by negative 8 divided by negative 8x. This is because ln of that is just 1 over negative 8x times by negative 8. Negative 8 goes on top, blah blah blah. Do this right fucking here, I guess. And then negative 1 over 3. Split this 1, negative 3 times x, negative 1. Oh, is it already? Yeah, it's negative 3. Okay, so this becomes positive. Wow, first time I had that. This turns into 1 over 3 positive. X, negative 2. Which just turns into 1, 3x2. Ay. Divide this whole thing by that. Oof. 2 times negative 8 divided by negative 8. Just 2. So this just becomes 2x. Actually, I'll do all that fucking later. Right now, I don't want to do that. This becomes times by 3x to 2. So this becomes 2x. Yeah? Yeah, just 2x. Wait a minute. 2. You know what? I'll keep it. I'll keep it the same. So this becomes negative 16 over negative 8x times by 3x squared. Well, shit. Ah, fuck. This is not good. How the fuck am I supposed to put infinity into this? This becomes 2x negative 1 plus times 3x2. This just goes on to infinity. And e to infinity doesn't make fucking sense either. Does it? This becomes 6. This becomes x. This is the final equation. And if I just plug infinity into this, this just equals to infinity. And then I have to make it e to the infinity. Oh wow, this is great. Oh, there's no way that's fucking right. Oh, but it's not being infinity over infinity at least, so it sort of makes sense. What the fuck did I do wrong? It's definitely not the 1 over 3x squared. Yeah, no. Nope, it's not that. Yeah, it was 2 times. Alright, we're gonna do it. This is gonna be fucking wrong, dude. Yeah. What the hell? Swearing. Or blasphemy, actually. What the fuck am I doing wrong? 2 goes down. The natural log of negative x. Negative 8x. Yeah, that's there. Times by... Well, it goes here. Natural log goes right here. So the natural log of e negative 3x brings down 3. In order to do this, I made it 1 divided by 3 over x.
Can I take Bud Light with me to the other house? I
Yeah.
need his leash and a bat and his collar.
Alright. Ugh. Huh?
Is this mine?
Yeah. ln e negative 3x. Dude, you know what? I'm gonna think of something here. ln negative 8 square root of 2. How the fuck is that wrong? I bring that down, make that into a negative 8, and then it all should be fucking right. Oh, this is ass view answer. How? How the fuck did you get 100? Alright. Negative 2. Assuming in our case that the right exists. Oh, you fucking serious? He didn't do LN until the very fucking thing. Oh. Oh my gosh, why? 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 You fuck. Why? Oh, I'm slowly losing my mind. You know what? You know what? I need to realize that you don't need to use LN a lot. No problem. I think I'm applying natural log to things that don't need it. Which is very, very stupid. Oh, whoops, I didn't switch it back to fucking the thing. There we go. Times by 1, 10x. Do the derivative of both. D over dx. D over dx. The derivative of sine is cosine. 1 over 7 x4 times by the derivative of the thing inside it. Chain rule. 1 over 7 x to the 4. This becomes down, so then this becomes 3. Alright, 7. No, whoops, this is supposed to be a negative. Yeah, it's a negative 4, so this should be negative 5. This should be takeaway. Negative 5. Negative 5. Alright, times by... What is the derivative of 1 over 10x? Ah, shit! It should just become negative 1 over 10x squared. Fucking what? Cosine. Whatever that. Let's make this a little bit more simpler. Ah, shit, this doesn't make sense either. 1 divided by 1,000,000, that's just 0. Cosine of 0 is just 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 0. Negative infinity. Wouldn't this just be negative infinity? That is so wrong though. That doesn't make sense because cosine. Nope, it's right. This is 100% right. Derivative of that, blah blah blah. I did the derivative. I did the side. Like, what the fuck is the actual problem here? Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, lordy. This doesn't make sense. It kinda does. Oh, fuck it, it does. Negative infinity. Nope, really? Wow, shit, shit. Oh, whoops, it's just infinity because it's infinity. No, what the fuck, man? Ah, fuck it. Oh, that's great, it's 0 because you're a bitch. Why is it 0, dude? This is 40. Negative 40, it's equals 40. Cosine. Is that a 5? Yeah, it's a 5. That's a 3. Dingus. That's a 3. So then, I think cosine negative 4. Oh, that makes sense. That's why it's a 0, but I'm so pissy. Because it's still... No. This thing is divided by everything. I need to fucking, like... I need to, I should realize that this is being divided by everything. That's my problem. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. This is its own separate thing. I'm failing at the last step. I hate that. Okay, this one's probably easier. Eight x take away 1 times by e 4x. I'm going to make this e 4x divided by 1 over 8x. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Negative 1? This doesn't make a fucking lick of sense, dude. Is that just a double negative? Why is it negative 1 already? That means it's already, oh gosh. That means, okay, this is a problem. I'm gonna change this back to then, 1 over x8. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like, times by e4x. Okay, there you go. There you go. That stumped me for a little bit. That 4 is a little too much. There you go. So then this just becomes e4x divided by 8x. Oh god, I love this thing. Did everybody like this one? I didn't? Really? I've heard this for so long. Wow. I love that. Wow. Alright, let's take the derivative. The derivative of e4x is just e itself again times by 4x times by the derivative, which is just 4 over 8. 8 divided by that is just 4 1, so then it's just e4x divided by 4. And since we're doing it to infinity, e4x divided by 4. Infinity divided by 4, essentially. Yeah, it's infinity. Please be infinity. Thank you. Thank you. Oh gosh, that was a... Wait, what? Did I get it right because it was just... There was no other way? What? Wait. Okay. So E4X... Did it make it just be top? Then why the fuck is... What is your bottom right now? So let f of x be this. What? I don't know. Why the hell did they do that? E4x and E4... They didn't just pick the first part and the second part. They just made technically two things from the same equation. Okay, I sort of understand. No, I don't. This is the actual equation. This is the one that they give us. Yeah. And where the hell did you get this from? Product rule? Suppose f of x is true. Blah, blah, blah. Assuming that would limit, in our case, we have the product of two functions. The first one that satisfies this is this thing. The second one that satisfies this is this thing. Okay. Why did you pair it though? Yeah. 8. That. Then this. Whole thing to that. I don't care. I'll take the fucking W, dude. Okay. I'm gonna do more instruction just because I don't want to be fucking trapped again. Yeah, -1. It should just be 6 of x divided, and then he just finds the derivative. Yeah, okay, I should be fine then. This would be e to the 3x divided by 7x. And we'd be like, oh, it's infinity or infinity. So then we do 7 divided by e to the 3x times by 3. And then we'd be like, oh, that's infinity, right? Yeah, that's infinity. Infinity. Thank you. I just don't understand the fucking oh nope, it was right. Look at that, 39. Jeez, this is a long day. Hmm. 1/8x squared. What's strange is that 2 is not to the x. That 2 is both the 8 and the x. So I'm thinking of applying L'Hopital. Yeah, fuck it. I'll do logarithmic. This is logarithmic right here. Doing log. This becomes 2 times ln of 8 x times. Just -2. And that doesn't make sense, so... which then becomes 1632, -32. Over 8 of x. This is trippy. This is tricky. This tricky rock around and up about a dappa dam is tricky. Tricker. It's tricky. Suck my dick. Okay, no. This is gonna be -2 actually. -2. This just becomes fucking 32 over x. And as this becomes infinity over some fucking number is just 0. So 3 divided by 0. Please be right. Well then, like, thank you. What the hell? Oh, I guess I did it differently than fucking doing logarithmic. That kind of feels nice, I guess. How do they do it? They let this one become that, this one become that, so then this became... Oh, that became on the bottom? Oh, that's different. That's real different. Yeah, they did it all the way until they got to third derivative, and then they were like, oh, look at that, it's 0. I feel like I did it wrong. Which sucks. Where are we? We're at 40. We're doing it 1% of the fucking time? Okay, that's fine. This will be C and C cosecant. That's a 1 over sine, right? I don't know what season 3 map of Fortnite you're talking about. I gotta look at the cosecant though. Give me a second. Cosecant. That is 1 over sine. Please tell me that's 1 over sine. Yeah, that is 1 over sine. I'm remembering things. Whew. So this is -4x to the 6 sine 4x. Take the derivative of both top and bottom. D. Uh, 12, 24, -24. Yeah. X to the 5th divided by cosine 4x times by 4. If this is 0, cosine 0 is just 1. So this becomes 4 over... what the hell? 0. 0 divided by 4 is just 0. Yeah. 0. It has to be right. Thank you. I know I'm so fucking cool and my balls are hot. Yeah, I got it right there. Okay, it was right here where I got it, and I don't know why the fuck they did this. Oh, because they did 4 divided by -4. But it doesn't matter. I got it right. Okay. How much did that give me? Still 1 fucking %. Are you serious? How far am I in this? That eats cock. That actually eats fucking cock. Tangent is sine over... Tangent, please let it be just sine over... Sine over cosine. I have to check. I actually have to check because I'm fucking dumb. This is 8x sine of negative 6x plus pi over 2 divided by cosine negative 6x plus pi over 2. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Then we do the derivative of both. D over dx, d over dx. I'm doing this because this just becomes fucking infinity. This becomes fucking infinity. Oh no, sorry. This becomes 1, and then this becomes. No, that doesn't make sense. What the hell? 8 times by 0 is just 0. Sine 2 pi. Oh, whoops, sine pi over 2. Divided by cosine. You know, I'm just gonna assume that it's just that, because it's 6. No, times by 0, so it's just fucking 0. 0 over 0. Yeah, that's not good. After taking the derivative of top and bottom. Holy shit. Oh, whoops. I don't know why I opened this one. Okay. Okay. The derivative of this is going to be fucking annoying because this is going to be product rule. So this is 8 times sine. Shit. Sine negative 6x plus pi over 2 plus 8x cosine negative 6x Oh, do I have my fucking thing on? This is not good. Divided by sine negative 6x. No, whoops. This is gonna be negative sine. Negative sine 6x negative 6x pi over 2. Now, what can we get rid of? We can get rid of this. Whoa, we can get rid of this. Whoa. Nope, actually we can't. I forgot. I just realized this too. We didn't do the inside of these. So we need to do times by 6, negative 6. Oops, times by negative 6. Why is that red? Oh, because I'm fucking dumb. Wait, let's do this. That, whatever. Negative 6. Negative 6. Times by negative 6. There we go. Now we can cross these out because they don't fucking matter. Whoopa. 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 This becomes, stop it. Stop being bad. 8 plus 8x cosine Negative 6x plus pi over 2. That looks like a shitty 2. Over negative 1. Whew. Okay. Now, cosine of 0 just becomes, wait a minute. No, this whole thing just becomes 0. 0. And then 8 over negative 1. It's just negative 8, right? Yeah. Okay, let this be right. No? No, that's not right. Shit. Okay. Was it because I was canceling out a lot of shit that wasn't supposed to be canceled out? This is tangent, sine over cosine. Oh, wow. Wait a minute, wait a minute. 8 of x is going to be on the bottom as well. That's the problem. Because it's technically both 8x. And so I have to do product rule on the bottom. Are you serious? Okay. Eight cosine negative 6x pi over 2 plus 8x negative negative 8x sine negative 6x take away plus pi over 2. Okay. This just becomes 0. Eight cosine Really? Really? I had to take another fucking derivative? No way, dude. No way. Oh, fucking guy. I've been here for way fucking too long. Ugh. Oh my gosh, even the math way doesn't make fucking sense. But apparently it's fucking 4 over 3? What? How? Yeah. Do you know what? Fuck it. Let me plug it in. 2's 8 times sine 0 plus pi over 2. Oh wait, yeah, that's 8. That's 8. Holy shit. Wait. Okay, so this is 8. Plus should be 0. Eight. Ah, are you fucking kidding me? Are you actually freaking kidding me? Okay, so then 8 times. That's just 0. Divided by 0? That doesn't make fucking sense, asshole. Oh my lord. Why? Why am I here? Oh, just to suffer? Okay. This is 0 because it's just being fucking multiplied. That doesn't make sense either. Do I do the derivative again? Do I have to do the derivative again? I'm going to have to do the fucking derivative again. Would that remove this? Because this x is just out of fucking nowhere. I just don't understand. I'm gonna put 4 over 3. There's just no way it's 4 over 3. How? How the fuck is it 4 over 3? Sine x 0, 0. Derivative of this, derivative of this. This is 6. This is 8 sine negative x. Minus 48 cosine x. Okay. How? I am gonna lose my fucking brain. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let me go back all the way to where I didn't have fucking 8x on that one side. Oh, I'm just gonna lose my brain. I'm slowly melting. Yeah, it's like this. This is where I was at. Negative 6. This becomes 6x. Signed by 2 pi. Oh, wow. I'm fucking dumb. I'm fucking dumb. And then this could have just been 0. This could have been 8. 8 divided by fucking something. Oh, what the hell? What was my first answer, actually? Negative 8? Yeah. I put negative 8 here because I literally canceled them out like a dumbass. Instead of plugging in the damn number. Wow, I know, I'm so fucking smart because I'm so damn dumb sometimes. I don't care. I don't care what anyone fucking says. It's fine with me that I didn't get that fucking right. Without having to fucking cheat. Technically I didn't cheat. Technically I did cheat. That was cheating. That was just... It just doesn't make... it made sense. It made sense. I should just plug in the damn number. Yeah, I should just plug in the damn number. I shouldn't be lazy and just plug in the damn number. Okay. This is sine 1 over... Did that get to me to 43? Thank you. 9x to the 5th over 1 over 8x2. Oh, the top part derivative d over dx. Yeah, that would just be 0 instead of just becoming 0. Yeah, you can't do that. Okay. Cosine 1 over 9x to the 5th times by 9 times 5. Oh wait, no, actually 9/5. Oh, 5/5. Whoops. Like that. There we go. Which becomes 5 cosine 1 over 9x to the 6th. Oh, whoops. 5th. Divided by 9x to the 6th. Derivative of this is just 1 over 8 times by x. Oh wait, oops, shit. Yeah, this just becomes 2 over 8 x 3 divided by That is -6 plus 3. That is x to the 3rd. 9 times 2, 18. Cosine. Wait, this equals to 40. Cosine 1, 9x to the 5th. Not 6th, 5th. Oh, 1 divided by that equals to 0. Fuck you. Cosine 0. 1, 40. Divided by 18. Fucking 1 million. 0. Please. Thank you. That's weird though. What the hell? Why did he get that? Five cosine over this divided by 9 sets. Ooh, I got the derivative wrong. Wow. What? 1 over... Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Yeah, that equals to just 1. Oh, but this is supposed to be negative. What? Whoops. Whoopsie. Yeah, that's supposed to be negative. This is supposed to be times negative. Which would have made this one into a negative. Which one would have been negative, huh? I don't know which one would have been negative. Oh, one of this was also negative too. This was also negative. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. When I made this, this should have been negative. So this would have been negative. Negative because it's positive. Yeah. Whoopsie daisy. Alright, continue. Exit out all this. 44! And we might be done with this one. Wow. How many do I actually need to get done? 21 questions. Okay, if I get this, and I have all this to do, and this is it, and this is just a horrible day. A horrible day of fun. Make this one cosine 2x plus pi over 2 divided by 1 over negative 5x. And of course, this shouldn't mean anything. That just becomes 0. That just becomes 0. d or dx, this whole thing. D over dx. Negative sign 1 over 2x plus pi over 2 times by 1 over 2 times x negative 1 equals to negative 1 over 2 x2. Yeah, negative 1 over 2 x2. Yeah, that's the top equation. negative 5? Right, negative 5? Yeah. Negative 5x times by, oh whoops, times by x negative 1 turns into 1 over 5x squared. And this whew, okay. This becomes negative, doesn't fucking matter really. So this becomes 2x squared sine 1x plus pi over 2. 2 pi? Where the fuck? 2, yeah, 2. 2x. Jesus, why the hell did I make 1x? 2x. Okay. Divided by 1, 5x to the 2. Which then becomes this whole thing. Times by 5x2. Those sort of cancel out. This makes it 5, 2. Fuck. 5 divided by 2. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I know. I'm so fucking smart and so goddamn. Wow. This is a day. Oh my lordy. How long have I been at this for? How long have I been streaming? Nearly 2 hours now. This is okay. I had to -10 x plus 2 sine 5x that's gonna be hard, cause what the fuck am I looking at? I'm combining it, right? Okay, I get it. I get what I have to do. -7 sine 6x plus 4x divided by sine 6x x, right? And then blah blah, you derive both of it. Yeah, you derive both of it. Okay. This is 0 anyway, so 6 0 0, yeah. No, we're deriving both of it. D or dx. Alright, this just becomes 4 plus how you doing, buddy? Huh? Little doggy. What a dog. 6x. Negative sign just becomes negative cosine. X6 7. This just becomes cosine. X. That's it. You want me to plug in 0? That's cosine 0. Actually, here, -7. That's cosine. Oh, whoops, I should actually put a parentheses over the all top. Zero. Plus 4. 3. Yeah, -3. Thanks for telling me that I'm wrong. Great. Great. Ooh, wow. Yeah, it should be something like this, though. Where it's -x. Oh, times by 6. Wow, I'm a dummy. Times by 6. Cosine. Times by 6. Shoot. Yeah, wow. Even though that's still technically freaking 0. 6. What the hell does that even mean? Does that mean -7? Okay. -7 times by 6 plus 4 divided by 6? Yeah, -38. Okay. I think that's the actual answer. -30 divided by 6. Want to be right. Nope, that's wrong too. It's infinity. Why are you infinity? Shoot me. Oh, fuck. Product rule. It was product rule. Fuck me, it was product rule. If I did product rule, what would have happened? 42x this. Yeah. Because then I would have seen it. Yeah, cosine 42. $1 million. I don't know, it's a 0. Plus 4. Divided by sine. Yeah, it's divided by 0. What the fuck are you talking about? What? Is cosine... Which one's 0? Cosine's the one. And that could become infinity because of that fucking 6x. That's my problem. No? Wait. Yeah, that's 1 times by 0. Oh, wow. I have no fucking idea why the fuck it's like that, actually. Yeah, no clue. But whatever. I'm fucking done. You take a fetch.